grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something, if you need it, you can grab it with your hands. Nothing's out of reach. If you really want something. I'm running your way, but you push me away. Your lifeline, losing your mind. I'm here for you, babe. I've loved you the same this whole time. So tell me, what's on your mind? And I'm not here to hear you say you're fine. I can take the pain you hold inside. I wanna know, wanna see it. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can't get this off my mind. Does it only control you? Let me in, I'll help you out. I won't lose you this time. Can I feel your kryptonite? Can I feel your kryptonite? You think you're too far, but I'm where you are, you know. I said
We just made it in the train, guys.
Welcome to this service for London Liverpool Street. We will be calling at Bishop Stortford, Harlow Town, Tottenham Hale and London Liverpool Street. The next stop will be Bishop Stortford.
Hello everybody, welcome to Jamaican Experience. My name is Gabi.
And it's here, Chris here, representing Jamaica here in England. We're on our way now to London from Stansted, and we're making a little vloggy vlog for you guys. We'll be here over the weekend, and we're looking forward to some good Jamaican food. We're so hungry. We had quite the travel so far.
We started so early.
We've been up since, I didn't even go to bed.
And we leave at what time we did leave?
We left our house at 5:50. That's crazy.
Then take a train to Frankfurt Airport, and from Frankfurt Airport we took a bus going to
The smaller Frankfurt Airport.
Frankfurt
Frankfurt Hahn.
Hahn. Right, and there we waited and waited.
Yeah. 4 hours we waited.
After 4 hours we finally were able to board our flight.
Yeah, it was at 1, so imagine. Booking,
That was pretty cool and short, like about approximately 1.5 hours.
yeah, 1.5 hours, and when we landed here it was 1 again. So we left Germany 1 and we reached here at 1 because of the time difference. So that was interesting. And then, oh guys, we have some clips of the line.
We walk in circles, like around and around.
No more like snake line. So and so
And what is the whole thing name again?
biometric.
Biometric face something scanner thing.
Yeah.
Never seen anything like that in my life.
So you lay it on the passport somehow, and then you show your face and it's scanned.
Somehow
High-tech.
it takes a picture from your face and looks if it's really the right person.
But actually, I think they have that in Germany. Let me just forget it because it wasn't so many people.
I don't know.
Yeah, we have that in Germany too, but it's really never so crowded. Yeah. And then, guys, we got some British pounds.
Yes, we even changed some pounds. We managed that too.
That was so exciting somehow when we see the money. We don't know. You needed to register so we get different money, and then
We are now approaching Bishop Stortford.
Imagine first time in Europe you used to have to pay money everywhere where you
Please
go.
mind the gap between the train and the platform edge.
Everywhere.
Please take care when
Yeah,
leaving
maybe.
the train.
That's nice. Take care when you're leaving the train. gesehen hat in Frankfurt.
I feel like the train here is way more cooler than in Frankfurt too, guys. So funny. Yeah, so the British pounds, I think, look so sophisticated, lighter, just different. Is that weird?
Tag für mein Fieden.
Mommy feet numb.
Yours? Not?
Because I kind of take them off in the airport halfway, you know. Just broke the back of the shoes.
Ja, die Tour was in Sleep.
I mean, we sleep in the bus to the first airport, the second airport, a little bit, 30 minutes, 40 minutes. That did do good. But now we have a lot of energy. You have energy, guys?
Crunchy inside.
Look at this. Crunchy.
What is wrong? Really? It's like, okay.
So guys, we made it home. Say something.
Welcome to Jamaican Patty London.
Guys, we came and we already feel at home.
And then we went to Jamaican food, Jamaican.
What is this?
Welcome. Wow, what a small world it is. So we got Blue Mountain Cup,
Yeah,
we
this is the
got
coffee.
the rum cake, we got patty, we got curry goat.
Everything.
Look for me and look for me award
Certificate.
from the Jamaican Observer. Hey!
Now, when we leave from a warm climate to Germany,
Yeah, first to study.
so you go to university in Germany as well. Okay, which one? Frankfurt
Applied science.
Applied Science.
Yeah.
Because we live quite close to there, so maybe on the main,
German and the cold food.
close to the Deutsche Bibliothek.
We have to react to the food. Hey.
It's really good, isn't it? I was just saying we should buy
The
another
best
one.
is the
Is the
curry
meal.
goat.
Ja, relocate to Frankfurt.
Yeah,
Yeah, please.
have an open one.
You know.
You support us here.
Well, internationally, I can only do London England at the moment. I can't go anywhere just yet. But if I were to go somewhere, it would be Paris. Because the French Caribbean, the French African, they come over here on the Eurostar, buy my food and take it back. So with that, I will always go to Paris because we get a big support.
This is bias. We're gonna take your food to Germany.
Yeah, thank you. You can bring up the lovely. So eat your food and come out your cake.
Okay, so I don't know
really
which one
good.
this is. But
Yes.
so guys, we're gonna try one of the many patties here.
Yeah, no, because I'm looking which one am I eating.
That's so nice, guys.
It's so soft. They can't even see you. Which one you have?
Jerk chicken, that's a jerk chicken. But you got jerk chicken and I can't tell if it's very nice.
No, which one would you? Okay, you know what?
This is?
Okay, so
I can't stop it. Wait, mama. So don't get to the good part yet. You know, out of desperation, I tried making my own patties back in Germany. Took me a long time.
You make them yourself?
well, they made for me. I couldn't. I'm not talented to make them all myself now because I got two girls. We sold like 500 patties a day from one. You know.
Filling is really good.
Yeah. If she never had it, I can't talk with before she won't appreciate the difference. She got twice now.
Yeah, but she's compared it to the Nigerian food. I make some Nigerian dishes, and she compared it to that.
Yeah, this is not the jerk chicken. Let's try jerk chicken. Wow. And in Jamaica, I haven't seen jerk chicken in Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna done, yeah.
Hi. Could I get the spicy beef patty, jerk chicken patty, and a curry goat patty? Yes, please.
So guys, jerk chicken is also very good. This one's also aki? No.
Yeah, I think she ordered two, didn't we?
Curry goat?
Now I'm trying it.
Did you have a curry goat? No.
I don't think I stopped from Akidia.
No, I didn't do the aki. 11.80.
Alright.
Oh, sorry, it's
I'm not trying to eat it.
So sorry.
Sorry, guys.
I think this is also aki.
Really good.
You want more hot now, darling?
Sorry?
You want more hot now?
Oh, yeah, that would be good.
Let's move it from the business place.
So what are you doing in London?
Weekend trip.
Oh, wow. Yeah, we go back on Sunday as well. I know. So unbelievable. Oh, you can't.
God was cooking on a Sunday.
Yeah. Because we just from because you came from Stansted, right? Yeah.
You too?
No, we came from London City because I think from Frankfurt to go to Frankfurt it's another 60 kilometers. And then from there, from Stansted to here is 35 kilometers, 40. It's far, right? So it's cheaper, yes. And it's actually not so bad because before I think you could get a plane ride from Frankfurt International, but now they don't fly from Frankfurt International.
And you want to have your
We'll go out in a minute. And that's why it makes it, I find it too far. I've been on the buses before and I'm like, 60 kilometers from Frankfurt. It has to be €1 plane ticket. And going for 2 weeks, $5.50. Since you left this room. Yeah.
It's crazy. You guys probably got sleep.
Yeah, our flight was at 11:35.
So you said it's your first time with Jamaican food? How was it? Good. Yeah? And how long have you guys been in Frankfurt?
She was born in Frankfurt. I've been there 19 years.
What? And you miss out the Jamaican restaurant?
Yeah, that's what I was like. What? I didn't. Never heard of it. I was just telling her. I said, no. But is it good?
It was good. You know, she came and she left. She was there in 2019 or so.
Probably too expensive, you know, when somebody bought it, buy it.
So now here's the already kitchen Frankfurt.
I have to try that. Yeah, we need to try.
But do you want cold sauce not vegan though?
Yeah, but I moved to Germany in 2003. My husband is German.
Patty?
Jamaica 89.
Wow. From Germany. And then you came back at 89. Wow. And do you miss it? Would you go back? Yeah. You're waiting. You're like, sorry? Oh, of course I will. We were just talking like warm climate is the best thing for the soul. And also the, culture and the attitude of the people. Yeah, go up. The attitude of the people is just so much different. Yeah.
Are you alright there, darling?
Because I'm Nigerian, so I know that as well.
Are you alright in Nigerian?
Yeah. No, Nigerian. I was born here in London. Yeah, I know.
You want to give us some, darling?
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
She's So should I buy it?
It's your choice.
Okay, yeah.
the curry.
The curry cook meal is really good.
Oh my god! So guys, mommy just stepped on my white shoes.
Yeah, I wanted to take
So you already saw me try the ackee and saltfish. Now I'm gonna try the curry goat. When I already tried the jerk chicken.
I almost forgot that.
So
Oh, better. Then I'm not scared anymore.
this is so flaky. And this just happened on the coincidence. Crazy.
Is that the curry cook? Gone down?
Go back to Macedonia, we'll be off to drive one of them.
Enjoy. I will see you at Reggae Kitchen. I promise I'm coming there.
One of them days.
Yeah, definitely. Really. Yeah. Okay. I don't have it. I'll take care of it. Let me give you my number.
Make a mess.
Do you have any social media?
Your number back. No, I have to type it in actually. That's my number. Just take it. Copy, paste. But that's such coincidence.
Swear.
Do you have yours? Give me back to this.
Yeah, I just got one. We don't need more.
Which one did you take?
The curry goat.
Okay. Good choice.
So
Okay, can you take my wallet?
Have you paid?
Yes. Just text me and then we'll reach out in Frankfurt. 939. Yeah.
you're here. I hope I have it right.
Okay.
What's your name?
Mujupe. And just text me.
Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. Bye. Bye. Thank you very much. Bye. Wait, do I have everything?
I'm going to spoon down in.
I told you. Did I tell you not? My promise watcher is telling himself too far. And sometimes you're right. So guys, this is the curry goat. Really strong curry. Oh, I feel so much better. I was getting hungry. My favorite color, yellow.
Yeah, I've got COVID.
I don't know what the hell is, but
I know, maybe
I'm
over
not
the
coming a lot of shape.
Yes, we can.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
It's really good, but we can't finish them all, I think.
Oh my god.
Anything to drink?
Nice.
Yeah, we got just in the real water. We just got one. Let me give you no bag.
Bag, yeah, that's more like it.
No, I tell you what we use the toilet. It's really, on the station, it's clean and it's really good. Yes. Yeah, but you have to go and get the go downstairs when you go in. They want to direct you, because I know where I'll go, but Angel is inside the kitchen. I'm sure the circle now will get you there. So I'm going to ask just a bit.
Okay.
Just bye. We have things in the water already got around.
That's that orange, is that orange or mango?
Yeah, oranges, yeah. That's right.